But I think I joined Rebounds around 26th or 25th of October, just before Diwali. Then on 7th, I had the first interaction, and on 14th, I got the offer letter. So, I mean, I don't think without that particular interview preparation session, like I would have been able to crack the interviews. Like starting from giving a frame of mind, like to like connect the dots, how to answer the questions, then the mental thought, how to go about the questions. I think everything.
Hello, Paul. Congratulations on getting the senior associate position at Nation with Namo, one of the biggest political consulting firm in India. And in fact, you got a full-time position at a very good salary. So congratulations for this. Can you briefly introduce yourself and share your background for our audience?
Sir, firstly, thank you. So, warm welcome to all the viewers. So, my name is Shankar Shubra Paul. So, I have done my BTech honors in chemical engineering from NIT Tiruchirappalli. So, around 2020, due to some family issues and that COVID scenario, I got into the family business. And after completing my graduation, I started my preparation for UPSC CSE. I've given 3 attempts till now, and as I said, like I have recently backed a job at Nation Economics. So that's a bit about me in brief.
Okay, thank you, Paul, for your introduction. And you have been very humble in saying that you just appeared in 3 prelims without mentioning qualifying all of them. And so, Paul,
Yes.
what motivated you to pursue a career in political consulting despite of coming from a top NIT?
Sir, actually, I think after writing 3 prelims, I mean 3 UPSC attempt, I had been looking for an exit option. So one of the, I think, simplest path for career transition was political consulting. So that was one of the first priority. And secondly, I had my optional as political science and international relations. So simultaneously, I too had that interest in political science, so politics and all this policy stuff and all. So that had basically influenced me to choose this role.
Okay, fantastic. So basically, dots connected by themselves.
Yeah,
One
right.
was the
Yeah.
barrier to entry was less,
Yeah.
and the dots also connected. All right, fantastic. So you appeared in prelims twice, clearing it, qualifying in all the 3 attempts. So what were your reasons to look for a job just after writing the CS means instead of again attempting one more attempt, just like the UPSC coaching industry promotes?
Now here, when I answer, I would like to take some bits and pieces from what I've learned. Look, in political science, we learned this theory about there's a Marxist concept given by Habermas. So the coaching industry will always like create this glitter about attempts after attempts, because that will only help the coaching industry run. But talking about me, I think post 2020, there has been a change in how the UPSC CSC atmosphere works. So like if you look at the atmosphere prior to 2020, I think it was more about hard work and all. Studying some fixed resources and all would definitely, like, if you had given 2 or 3 attempts plus if luck and your hard work could have like given produced the required result, you would definitely made it to the list. But post 2020, I think it's a bit more about luck than hard work. So, and 20s are the best time. I did not want to waste like all this, like attempting all the 6 attempts and all. And I think that too was one of the reason, like, to now look for an exit option after writing 3 prelims.
Okay, thank you for sharing this. So basically, you are saying that there are a lot of factors which are not in our control. So there
Yeah,
is no point in putting uh, such a disproportionate risk on
yeah,
in our 20s so
yeah.
that it can hamper us. Okay, all right, makes a lot of sense. And Paul, can you also share what were you going through when you decided to enroll for our market readiness program?
Sir, like in life, I think guidance plays a very important role. Until and unless you have some pole star in your life, it becomes very difficult to navigate the journey. So yeah, around October itself, like I was looking for some guidance and stuff, like where they can help me in this career transition. So luckily, I found I got to know about Rebounds through a newspaper article. So I think that made the journey quite smooth.
Okay, thank you for sharing this. So basically, your accidental interaction with Rebounds changed a lot in your life.
Yeah, right.
Good to hear that. And how has the program at Rebounds benefited you in your career transition?
I think it has given me a smoother direction, like helping me prepare at each and every stage, starting from the resume crafting as well as the interview stage, plus the various career options that might be suitable for me after writing UPSC. So I think in that manner, it has helped quite a lot.
Okay. And how soon after joining the program were you able to get the job?
I think it was very fast. I don't know whether it is possible in other sectors, but I think I joined Rebounds around 26th or 25th of October, just before Diwali. Then on 7th, I had the first interaction, and on 14th, I got the offer later. So it was that fast, not even a month.
Okay, okay. So yes, it's a function of many factors. One of them is obviously, let's say, luck in terms of having the encountering the right opportunity, and then the obviously luck meeting the hard work, which is being prepared to excel in that opportunity. Otherwise, obviously, the selection rate in such opportunities, especially the one you converted, where the packages and all these things are very good, it's here the selection rate is very, very low. So being impeccable with that helps a lot. And can you also describe how the resume mentorship sessions at Rebounds helped you preparing or outshining your resume?
I mean, it has helped quite a lot. As I said, like, you need that pole star in your life to navigate the journey. The resume preparation session has helped me, like, smoothen out the resume as well as refine it in a better manner. So I think, the like to help it get shortlisted in the first round itself. So
Mhm.
it has brought out that definiteness plus highlighting the proper aspects that can help you bring out the resume among the others.
Mhm. Yes, so basically resume making is both an art and science in itself. So ensuring that you outshine those or you highlight those specific things you want interviewer or HR to look at. So all that is
Yeah.
an art, and we are glad that we helped you and we got a chance to help you for that. Can you also share a bit about your experience with our interview preparation support, including case interviews, guesstimates, general interviews, HR interviews for this specific opportunity?
I think first of all, I would like to share my expression of gratitude to you. Like without your guidance, it would have been quite impossible. I mean, I don't think without that particular interview preparation session, like I would have been able to crack the interviews. Like starting from giving a frame of mind, like to connect the dots, how to answer the questions, then the mental thought, how to go about the questions. I think everything has been well taught out in the sessions.
Okay, all right. We are glad to know this. And can you also describe your overall experience with Rebounds in one word?
I think one word will be a very pleasant experience, a pleasant and smooth experience. That's it.
Okay, all right. And what advice would you like to give to the fellow ex-UPSC aspirants who are stuck in the vicious cycle of UPSC, are considering to enroll at Rebound, but are a little confused what to do?
I think firstly, the aspirants should uh, look have a strategy in life. Like they should properly think like I am giving this many items. I should look out for an exit option. Now, talking about exit, I think they should definitely explore rebounds. They can start with I think there are few interaction sessions that can give them that direction. And I mean, see, it's a very good platform. The price aspects are also very competitive compared to the others. And the teaching style is also really good. So I think it's all in a one package you get out here at Rebounds. So definitely they should explore it.
Okay, so yes, we are a social venture. We are not a money minting machine. So our prices, our vision, our mission, everything is in line with the goal of helping as many candidates as much as possible. That's why we don't want to, and we ensure that money does not act as a barrier for any candidate for in democratizing the choices they have.
You
Yes.
know.
Okay. Glad to hear your overall experience with the bounce ball, and we look forward to support you in your journey.